In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clock in on the Homebase website, a crucial task for ensuring accurate time tracking and efficient management for both employees and employers. Whether you're clocking in at the start of your shift or logging your hours for a particular day, knowing how to navigate this interface is essential for maintaining smooth operations in any business that relies on shift work. First things first, you'll need to log into your Homebase account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the main interface. Now, one thing to note is that Homebase is designed with user-friendliness in mind, making the process straightforward, but it's still important to know exactly where to go. To clock in, you're going to want to direct your attention to the top right corner of the interface. Here, you'll see various icons. The one we're interested in is the time clock icon. This icon is the portal to accessing the clock-in functionality, which enables you to record your working hours accurately. Once you've spotted the time clock icon, go ahead and click on it. This will unveil a few options. You're going to look for and select the option that reads Launch Shared. This step is essentially initiating the process of opening the time clock feature within the web interface. Once you've done that, there's another selection that you'll need to make. Click on Go to Time Clock. By doing so, you'll be directed to the web-based time clock screen. Here's a bit of additional context about this feature. The web-based time clock is a valuable tool that acts as a digital punch card, and its purpose is to help employees clock in and out with ease. It ensures that all timekeeping is done in real time, which is not only convenient but also indispensable for maintaining accurate records. This feature supports accountability and helps manage payroll efficiently by capturing the precise hours worked by each employee. Just to make sure everything is clear, this screen is where you'll officially clock in. It acts as a centralized hub for recording your start time for your shift. This intuitive setup makes it difficult to overlook the recording process, thereby minimizing errors and making sure that everyone's time is accounted for properly. And there you have it. Clocking in using the Homebase website is as simple as finding the right icon, making the right clicks, and ensuring your hours are accurately captured. This streamlined process is designed to save time and reduce hassle, allowing you to focus on the tasks at hand. Take your time the first few times you follow these steps, and soon enough, it will become a quick and easy part of your daily routine. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you find this guide useful as you navigate through using the Homebase website.